Welcome back to Saving Made Easy. We've got some easy couponing deals this week that are all digital and beginner friendly for Dollar General on Saturday, March 5th. I was a little bummed out this week because my Sunday papers had no paper P&G coupons in them, and I felt like I was missing out on some pretty good deals this week. But you know what? I think we can do a lot with just our digitals. Stick around to the end to see how I'm going to score some Tide for just 69 cents, and be sure to smash the like button. You know you want to. This first deal, we're going to get a lot of cleaning products for under $1. So you're going to start by picking up 2 of the Dawn Power Wash. Actually, you're going to get the starter one that has the nozzle on it, and you're going to get one of the refills. My store was out of the refills, so I'll show you a screenshot here. But the regular one is $4.95 and the second one is $3.95, and we have a $3.99 digital coupon, which essentially makes the second one free when you buy the first one. So it's sort of like a buy one get one free. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the chloralin or the phenolin cleaners from the dollar section. These are $1 a piece, so $2 for both, and we have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, making them half price. Next, pick up 2 of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner from the $1 aisle as well. These again are $1 a piece, so $2 for both, and we have a $1 digital coupon, making them half price. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Lysol disinfectant wipes. These are $2.65 each for 35 wipes, and so that's $5.30 for both containers. And we have a $1 off digital coupon on the coupons.com app. There's a link in the description box below if you haven't downloaded that yet. If you don't want to use that coupon or you've already used it, you could also use a paper coupon. I think there are still some Lysol $1 off of 2 paper coupons floating around. Next, pick up 2 of the Clorox disinfectant wipes. These are, again, $2.65, so $5.30 for both. And we have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Last but not least, pick up 1 of the Crest whitening liquid toothpaste. These are $2.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making it just 50 cents. This is just kind of a filler item. Make sure your 5 off of 25 digital coupon is clipped, and your subtotal for this first transaction should come to $26 even. And after all of your coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $11.01. So basically works out to just about $1 for all of these cleaning products, which is really good. You may have noticed earlier that I pointed out that the Dawn Power Wash and the Power Wash Refill are actually on sale $4.95 and get the $3.95 free. We also do have that digital coupon for $3.99, which makes it free. There is a deal going around that I believe is still working as of me putting this video out, which is essentially you're getting both discounts off, the $3.95 for the sale and the $3.99 for the coupon. In that case, this if it's still working by Saturday, this transaction would actually come out to $7.06 because you're taking another $3.95. So hopefully by Saturday that's not a dead deal, but just wanted to bring that to your attention. Okay, for this next transaction, we're going to use a little bit of the instant savings on Colgate, Soft Soap, Ajax, Palmolive, Suavitel, Fabuloso, Irish Spring, and Speed Stick this week. We're only going to buy a couple of those products, but we're going to start by picking up 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, the 6-ounce kind for $2.75, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making that just 75 cents. And the Colgate counts towards your instant savings. Well, you're also going to pick up a bottle of the Ajax from the dollar section for just $1 and use the 50-cent digital coupon on that, making it half price, and that also counts towards your instant savings. Next, we're going to pick up 1 of the Irish Spring body wash for $5. Actually, when I was in store, I saw that there were some clearance ones that were ringing up for $3.60, so if you're able to find that, even better deal. But that's going to apply to your instant savings as well, and use the $1 off digital coupon on that. Just keep in mind that you are spending $10 on these products, these named products at the top here. And I'm picking up one of these soft soap hand soap for $2.50. That's going to bring me over that $10 total. No coupons on this. That's just my last little item to add to that part of the deal. Next, I'm picking up one of the Crest mouthwash with scope. These are in the little travel section. These are $1, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it a freebie. You can also add in the Dawn Power Wash, again, the $4.95 and the $3.95, and use that $3.99 coupon. And last but not least, pick up some Glad trash bags because we just never get good trash bag deals. These are $5, but you want to make sure you're getting this kind here. And use the $1 off digital coupon, making it just $4. Make sure your 5 off of 25 is clipped. Your subtotal needs to come to at least $28 because remember, you're taking that $3 off first in instant savings. So this should come to $29.10 if you did it exactly the way I did it. And your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons is just $11.61 plus tax, or maybe even cheaper if that power wash deal is still going. Just make sure you're spending at least $10 to get the instant savings on those certain items. Don't forget, Valentine items are 70% off and Valentine candy is 50% off right now. Dollar General also has put their adorable Easter decor out, and I don't know if it's just me, but it seems cuter than ever this year, and I'm wanting all of it. What's the next big holiday that you're looking forward to? Do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day or something else? By the way, if you haven't checked out my newest video all about the very best Costco finds and items to skip, I highly recommend you pause and head over there right now. I couldn't believe all the great items that we found on this trip, and the prices could not be beat. Okay, for this last transaction, we're going to start by picking up one of the Crest mouthwash with scope again for just $1, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it free. Next, pick up one of the Crest whitening liquid gel toothpaste for $2.25, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making it just 25 cents. Next, pick up one of the Crest 3D white toothpaste, the 4.1 ounce for $4, and use the $3 off digital coupon on that, making it just $1. You can also do the Dawn Power Wash deal again. I won't go over it, but you know. Pick up one of the Airwick warmers for $2 and use the $1.99 digital coupon, making it just a penny. Grab a bottle of the Ajax from the dollar section and use the 50-cent digital coupon on that. Grab 2 of those Chloralin cleaners for $1 a piece and use the $1 off digital coupon on those. And last but not least, grab a bag of Tide Pods. These are the 16 count for $4.95 and use the $1 off digital coupon, making them $3.95. Heads up though that this price may be changing soon with all the inflation prices going around. Your subtotal for this last transaction should come to $26.35, and your out-of-pocket cost would come to just $6.87 plus tax, or about 69 cents each, and that is a great deal. Some other things to note this week include the buy one get one free Rubbermaid containers, which are a perfect addition to your 5 off of 25 deals for Saturday. And we still have this $3 off of 6 Easter candy coupon, which makes these Reese's egg bags half price for 2. And to stay in the know about all other things Dollar General savings, I highly recommend clicking that subscribe button and bopping the notification bell right now. If you're interested in deals at other places like CVS this week, join me over on Instagram and TikTok, where I'm posting new deals and savings info all the time. And that's it for this week, guys. Happy saving!